I would do that. 24 hours later, 1 week later, 1 eternity later.
Introduce our group. Our member is Afraska Yin Farella Kayani Putri number 3. Artika Dewey number 8. Nesia Safira number 27. Pipink Sayahila number 28. And Puti Andina number 29.
What is report text? Report is a text which describes or presents information about something in general.
Birds.
Birds are interesting flying animals. Birds are the member of vertebrate animal that have feathers and wings. There are many kinds of birds. It is estimated that there are approximately 8,800 to 10,200 bird species throughout the world, ranging from the smallest such as hummingbirds to the biggest ones such as orchids. Generally, they can fly in the air, but some of them cannot fly despite having wings such as chicken, ostrich, duck, and wild duck.
Vertebrates with their air pocket on their body just like humans. Used as a respiration organ, air pockets also can enlarge or reduce their weight when flying or swimming. Each bird has a special characteristic. They have different morphology according to their food and their habitat. Some of them eat seed and pollen. For example, pigeon and hummingbird. While others eat meat or fish, such as penguin, eagles, and
According to their natural habitat, birds are divided into two, land birds and water birds. Land birds are the type of birds that live on land, such as forests, savannas, caves, and riverbanks. Examples of the land birds are cassowary, canary, and pigeon. Land birds are usually smaller in size than water birds. Water birds are the kind of birds that live around lakes and oceans. Water birds that live in the sea and lakes also have different characteristics. Seabirds have characteristics of a broad wing size and the ability to fly at high speed, like albatross. Meanwhile, lake birds have a characteristic of a long feet, such as flamingo.
They reproduce by laying eggs. Generally, the eggs will be incubated before it hatches. The time period for individual birds to hatch varies. For example, chicken needs 21 days to incubate their eggs. When the breeding season arrives, they will settle in place with plenty of food, such as forests, mountains in the middle of town, sea, lakes, and rivers. When birds have found the mate, they divide the task. Females have the responsibility of laying eggs, incubating eggs, and feeding their young. Male birds, on the other hand, keep their nest area in check, but some birds do not play this. Like penguin, females don't guard their eggs. Instead, male penguins incubate the eggs until they hatch.
They have provide tremendous benefit to human life. Some birds such as chicken, turkeys, geese, and ducks have been bred for a long time and been important source of protein for human either in meat or eggs. Feather may be used to make garments or ornaments. Birds can be used as compost fertilizer. Birds are also essential as an environmental stabilizer in component ecosystem. Such birds have the role of seed breaker, pollinator, first predator, and apex predator.
Generic structure of report text about bird. Paragraph 1 is general classification. Paragraph 2, 3, 4, and 5 is description. Language feature of report text. First, use of general nouns. Second, use of relating verbs to describe features. Third, some use of action verbs when describing behavior. 4. Use of timeless present tense to indicate in general. 5th, use of technical terms. 6th, use of paragraphs with topic sentence to organize bundles of information.